In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set fields in Microsoft Forms via Hyperlink. If you've ever wanted a form to open with certain answers already filled in, maybe to save your audience time, reduce typos, or guide them through a default path, this is exactly how to do it. We'll use Microsoft Forms' built-in pre-filled link feature, and by the end, you'll have a shareable URL that sets answers automatically when someone clicks it. First, open your browser and go to Microsoft Forms, sign in if prompted, and make sure you're on the design side of Forms, not just the responses view. Next, navigate to the specific form you want to pre-fill, open it in edit mode so you can see all your questions and settings. A quick tip before we continue: make sure your questions are final, especially required ones. Changing or deleting questions later can break previously generated pre-filled links. Now look to the upper right corner of the form editor for the three dots, the More Form Settings menu. Click that to open additional options. From that menu, choose Get Pre-filled URL. This opens a special preview of your form designed for you to enter the default answers you want your respondents to see. In this view, go through the form and fill in the fields with the exact answers you want pre-populated. Type your sample text where you want text to appear by default, pick the correct options for multiple choice questions, and select dates or ratings as needed. If your form uses branching, choose values that lead respondents along the intended path. Remember, the answers you're entering here aren't being submitted. They're just used to build a link that will pre-fill these fields for others. Before generating the link, make sure the toggle for pre-filled answers is turned on. This setting ensures the link you create will actually include the values you just entered. You can always return and turn this off later if you decide to distribute a blank version of the form. When everything looks right, click Get Pre-filled Link. Microsoft Forms will generate a unique URL based on your selections. Copy that link and test it in a new browser window or an incognito session to confirm the fields populate exactly as intended. Once you're satisfied, share the link through your usual channels: email, chat, a website, or even a QR code. A final best practice: avoid embedding sensitive information in pre-filled links since values can be visible in the URL. If you make structural changes to your form later, regenerate a fresh pre-filled link to keep everything working smoothly. And that's it. You've set fields in Microsoft Forms via Hyperlink